Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to access your JPMorgan Chase employee account, here's how to log in securely using your standard credentials. Open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to hr.jpmorganchase.com. That's the official employee portal for Chase staff. Okay, let's get started with this one. Once the page loads, type your standard ID SID in the login field. And once done, tap continue. You may be asked for MFA, multi-factor authentication. Enter the OTP received via SMS or use your security token if prompted. On successful login, you will be redirected to your employee dashboard where you can view HR tools, benefits, payslips, and more. If login fails, double check your SID and password. Make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled. And if you still can't log in, request help from your internal IT support or HR team. And that's how you can securely log into your JPMorgan Chase employee account. Like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.